Hey everyone, I want to talk about my projects for Q3, as well as how you can get involved if you are interested in any of these. I'll also explain a little bit more about each project. So let's start. First project is a cozy idle aquarium or tank fish tank simulation. So this is something that I kind of just recently started working on. I have a prototype, as you can see in the background. My goal for this game is primarily just to learn pixel art, honestly, and also to learn more about agent-based modeling, which is something I'm learning about at my full-time job. So yeah, a couple other things is I want to have music that plays in the background, like lo-fi probably, that will play actively playing this. But you have it open. I still want it to play music, and there'll be a shop, which is kind of like general for these types of games, I believe. But yeah, so this will be a progressive web app, so act the same as like a mobile app. I won't go into too much detail there because I don't want to over explain what that is, but if you're interested, I would like to explain it. I could go on forever about it. Um, so that's one project. Next project is actually for a partner, I'll call them. Um, it's a lead generation for a specific service. I'm not going to give too much away, but it's going to be automated leads and also there'll be a referral dashboard. If I made a video about this, it'd be kind of a case study essentially, seeing like how you can use your skills to work with other people, um, and how you could make money in other ways if you're a developer or have any skills that are related to, I guess, development. So yes, this is another project. This is a longer term project, 3 months for the MVP and then ongoing stuff. This is my other project. I'm gonna say I think every time, but this is my budget app. I've actually already built this, as you can see in the background, and there's not a lot of like what's the word? Um, there's some content I can make around it, which I probably will, but this is something I will be publishing soon. Uh, it's, I guess I'll tell you the features and I'll kind of chat a little bit more. But as you can see, it has dark mode, which is very important. It's completely free. I'm gonna offer free updates. Like it works like an app. It's also PWA. It's very simple. Simple interface is what I should say. I try to get. I've been using this for myself actually, so I really like it. But I'm also biased because I built it. Um, but it's easy to use. It's not like what's the word? Fuck. Over complicated. That's the word. Over complicated with like all this other stuff. Uh, you don't have to sign in. You don't have to link your bank account and all that. It will be like publicly available here soon, actually. And then next project here is my niche report, which is already built as well. At least the software for it is built. I use AI in this project, as in like it uses the AI to create the report. It helps you. So there's a couple different features that it does, and this is a paid project, so like it's a micro SaaS is what I'm calling it. But it helps you choose a domain name. It helps you find keywords and also get content ideas, which I think is the biggest selling point that I've seen with testing. And it uses the AI to see if your idea is good in regard to like what you want to start. So like let's say a landscaping company in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Like it'll tell you the pros of that, and if it's like popular. So I think it's beneficial. There's still a few things I need to do. This would be a good video, but I think I'm gonna make a video over how much it generates and kind of like my process for creating it. This is another kind of a boring project. This is to be horrible for a video, but if you guys are interested, I can talk about it. I can yap about all this stuff, honestly. So if you want to see anything specifically, let me know. And join my Ko-Fi and subscribe as well if you want to see extra stuff. But this will be built in Python. It's actually already built majority, like the MVP, I guess I should say. And I'm using it as a way to, I have a web development company, so I'm using it to generate leads for me, and also it will have some other features that I'm adding that will help me hopefully generate leads. All automated. I love Python. Alright, so this is my little call to action. First of all, if you're this far, I appreciate you listening to me. Just talk for probably, I would say 5 minutes about my stuff, maybe longer. But subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you feel like you want to like the video. And most importantly, if you're interested in getting involved, that includes like seeing code from projects I'm working on, which is in my vault, or my incubator. If you guys like startup talk, I just call it the vault because it sounds cooler. That'll be there, and so you can find all the links to everything down below. And I appreciate you listening to me talk about stuff I'm working on that I enjoy doing. And if you want to see something specifically, like more detail about a certain project, let me know. I'll be looking at my analytics as well to see what's happening. And peace.